Pwede na kaya ang isang insurance policy lang? 4 reasons bakit better na meron kang multiple insurance policies. Number 1, kasi hindi one size fits all ang buhay. May health ka, may future retirement goals ka, may income ka na kailangan protektahan, lalo na kung breadwinner ka, and sometimes one policy cannot cover it all. Kaya dapat may combo plan ka, not just one. Number 2, para may fallback ka kung merong hindi covered. Imagine may life insurance ka nga pero walang health benefits. Paano kung ma-confine ka? Kailangan mo ng health policy na sasalo katulad ng HMO. Ito yung sasagot sa confinement mo. O kung dumating yung worst, yung critical illness. HMO is not enough naman sa mga ganitong pagkakataon kasi maliit lang madalas ang HMO. Kaya dapat may critical illness plan ka din. Imagine yung cancer, yung stroke, yung heart disease, magkano ang kailangang gastusin mo at ng pamilya mo kapag dumating yan sa buhay nyo. Ito na yata ang pinaka-engrandeng gastos na ayaw natin. Pero kailangan nating harapin, kaya dapat ready ka. Lalo na kung ayaw mo talagang maging burden sa family mo, sa anak mo, sa asawa mo. Kung ayaw mo din manghingi. Kaya make sure meron kang adequate health coverage. Hindi basta meron lang. Number 3, different life stages, different needs. Kung single ka, baka okay na yung simpleng life insurance lang. O maliit na health coverage. Pero nung nagka-baby ka, kailangan mo na rin magplano for his or her educational fund. O kailangan mo na magdagdag ng critical illness rider. Insurance should grow with you. Let me give you an example. Dati, di ba, Nokia lang ang cellphone natin, text and call, okay na. Pero ngayon, hindi na enough na ganun lang ang cellphone mo. And lahat tayo ngayon, halos naka-smartphone na. The same thing with your life insurance. Dapat nag-upgrade din yan, bestie. Number 4, peace of mind 360 degrees. Ang sarap ng may peace of mind. Na alam mo lahat ng anggulo ng buhay mo covered. May adequate ka na life insurance. Dapat ito times 10 of your annual income, ideally. Meron kang HMO, meron kang critical illness benefit, accident, at syempre meron ka din dapat investments. That's not overthinking. That is smart planning, bestie. Ito bonus info ko para sa'yo. Layering policies is legit strategy ng mayayaman. They don't just settle with one plan. They build layers of protection. Kasi that's how you build and protect your legacy. So don't ask, okay na kaya itong isang policy ko? Ask instead, what else do I need to protect? Especially if you're a parent or a breadwinner. If you want help reviewing your policies or build a smart insurance plan, mag-comment ka lang ng review at pag-usapan natin yung mga plans mo. I got you. Hello, my name is Picha Bashal, your Finance Globe bestie. And if you'd like this kind of content, follow me, share this video. Bye!